Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot sign in, the maximum number of free accounts activated on this iPhone. So guys, if you are trying to create a new Apple account on your Apple device but you're facing this pop-up and you're unable to create a new account, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you create a new account on this device. So guys, basically this error means your iPhone has reached the limit of new iCloud accounts that can be activated on its hardware within a year. So guys, if you have created more than 3 accounts on this device, then you will not be able to create more accounts on this device until you factory reset your device, and after that you try to create account again. So guys, the first way is that you have to simply factory reset your device, and the second way is that you have to simply create your Apple ID on another device and then log in that Apple ID on this device. So guys, you have to simply get another device to create an account, and then you will be able to log in that account on this account very easily. So guys, in this way you can also create new Apple accounts on your Apple device if you're also facing this issue. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.